In this video, we're going to find slope between 2 points. This is the foundation of finding slope because you can use any of these methods with any 2 points you're given. Whether those points are found on a table or from a graph, you can find slope between them as long as you can find the slope between 2 points. So again, with the reminder that slope is the rate of change, is the change in y values divided by the change in x values. So we were given these 2 points, 9, -2, and -5, 6. The first option I'm going to show you is using the formula. That says the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's assign. We have x, y, x, and y. And I'll make the first set of points 1 and the second set 2, which means filling in our formula, y2 is 6 minus a -2. Put that in parentheses so I can watch my signs. x2 is -5 minus 9. Oh, wrong button. Whoops. So now we're going to show how we solve 6 minus a -2. So the opposite of taking away is to add. Therefore, 6 plus 2 is 8. And -5, taking away 9 more, will make it more negative, -14. And then we have to reduce this fraction, which will ultimately be -4 divided by 7, because the common factor is 2. Now, if you're like me and you have a decent chance of messing up those negatives, just being honest with you, your second option is to create a table. A table of x and y. So let's put our first point in, 9, -2, and -5, 6. And right here we're going to say, okay, what's the difference to get 9 to -5? 9 minus 14. And how did I get from -2 to 6? That difference, that change, would be +8. Which makes our change in y divided by our change in x 8 divided by -14, which once again is -4/7. Your third option is to ask for some graph paper and plot your points. So -5, 6 would be about here. And 9, -2 would be about there. So my line goes between these 2 points. There's my doodle. And I can make my right triangle. On either side will work, and then we just look. 6, -2. Okay, so that's 8. And then 5 and 9 goes -5 to 9. That's 14. And then we know something is negative because this line is decreasing. -8, we went down. So we have -8 divided by 14, which once again simplifies to -4/7. Whether the negative is in the numerator or denominator, as long as only one of them is negative, the fraction is negative. But as long as you can do any of these methods with 2 points, you can find slope.